Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you how you can learn some easy skills and sell these skills on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn good money. These skills are very easy and you can learn in some minutes. So in today's video I will teach you how you can design Facebook cover and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So here I am opening Fiverr to check that is there is a demand of this skill or not. Facebook cover design. So as you can see, 42,000 plus services available, and I will design professional Facebook cover photo banner. I will create a professional Facebook cover. Okay, so I click on this. So in basic package he charged $30, in standard package he charged $60, and in premium package he charged $85. So that's great and that's good. So in this way we check that there is a demand of this skill. Now let's create a Facebook cover. So I use Canva for this purpose because Canva is easy and handy to use, and we can make cover in some time, in some minutes. But if I use Photoshop or Illustrator, then it will take a lot of time and save your time, and I do not want to make video longer. So I click on this, and I want to create a Facebook cover for fashion. So I click on fashion, and there are a lot of templates available, and we have to choose one of the template. So I think this one is good. Yeah, it's look great, and I want to change the image. Like this image look good, and you can change out these, like you can change the handle name ABC. This is a dummy name, and you can change this text, or you can change out the colors, but I think it's look good. So you can see, you can get information from client, and best fashion in the town. This is just a dummy line, so you can get details from client and put it there, and that's it. So as you can see, we can create Facebook cover in 2 minutes, I think, hardly. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.